Good morning, Willie Cologne. How are you today? Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. I hope you've had a wonderful morning so far. So let's start our morning meeting. So today for our greeting, we're going to have a virtual high five. So take out your hand and good morning. So today for our share, I want to know, what did you do yesterday afternoon? Well, Miss Fernandez, I did some yoga. I try to meditate every day. I try to make sure that I relax my body, I relax my mind, and I stretch really, really, really good from side to side. And I do a special sign that's like this. That is called the Om sign. Can we do that together? Om. That's what Miss Fernandez did yesterday. So what did you do yesterday? If you can write that in the chat. And the last thing that we're going to do is read our morning meeting together. So I want you to have a point crisp finger and you could follow along on the screen while Miss Fernandez reads, or you can read with me. Good morning, boys. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Let's talk about emotions. We can feel so many different emotions. Some are positive, some are negative. But it can sometimes be hard to express them in words. It is important to remember that when we deal with difficult emotions, it can be helpful to let them out by talking to a grown-up you trust. I hope you have a great day. Love, Miss Fernandez. Have a great day, guys.